In this video, we will show you how to make money through e-commerce using Shopify. Shopify is an online platform that allows you to create an online store and sell products online. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily set up your store, manage your inventory, and process payments. The first step in making money through e-commerce using Shopify is to sign up for an account. Simply go to shopify.com and click on the Get Started button. After filling out the necessary information, you can choose a template for your online store and start customizing it. Now that your online store is set up, it's time to start adding products. You can add products manually or in bulk using a CSV file. Make sure to include clear product descriptions, images, and pricing information to entice customers to buy. As orders start coming in, it's important to keep track of your inventory to avoid overselling. Shopify makes it easy to manage your inventory by letting you set up stock levels and receiving alerts when stock is low. This ensures that you can quickly restock and fulfill orders on time. One of the great things about Shopify is its built-in payment processing system. You can choose from a variety of payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net. This allows you to accept payments from customers all over the world. To make money through e-commerce using Shopify, you need to attract customers to your store. You can do this through various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Make sure to target the right audience and create compelling content to drive sales. By following these steps, you can start making money through e-commerce using Shopify. With its powerful features and ease of use, you can focus on growing your business and reaching new customers.